can see this toilet is making noise. I'm not sure if it's leaking, but it's making noise. Not sure why this is not yeah, you can hear the noise here. So I'm going to try to change out this part with this part here, even though the cover is red color versus this black color, and I'm hoping the noise will stop. Like I said, I don't know if it's leaking or not. But it's making noise, so you know it's best to replace it so it doesn't make the noise anymore. First thing I need to do is I need to shut this off. No, that's shut off. And the noise stopped right there. So this is so it's counterclockwise to loosen the nut. Oh, I need to get a gotta get a bucket to receive the excess water in the tube. This turn off this valve, and the noise of this red cap component stop making the noise. So I'm just removing the top pipe, try to release. Okay. So now I'm gonna get to this one. To try to turn this thing to try to release this black component and replace it. Maybe I need a tool or something. Oh, clockwise or counterclockwise. The volume of the water and that's remaining in the tank. So the toilet tank. So you can see I used those two little buckets. It's just not enough, so it created a big mess here. So that's my regret. If you do this, make sure you have enough towel to dry the floor or to get the water out of there. But I think it's much easier just to get a bigger bucket or a lot of drying towel to make sure you can dry the floor as soon as possible. Otherwise, you're just gonna have this kind of mess here. And now I can totally unscrew this and remove the old noisy thing and replace it with the brand new one that won't have this kind of noise. So this is the old one that gives me this big problem, and this is the new one. So the new one is gonna go in no problem. Hopefully. That's the old one. This is the new one. To extend this left hand side, the new one, so that the new one will be long enough to reach the top of the water. So that's what I'm going to be doing, and hopefully by replacing this toilet water control mechanism with the new one, hopefully the noise will stop, and problem is solved. So extended is just by twisting this, twisting this, twisting this, twisting it. So I gotta use it both ends, and then you know, then these two will be about the same height. So I still got a little bit to do here. Instead of this thing, so it came down to here, so that it's about the same distance, same height. Okay, and then I'm gonna install this thing. And no more noise. Let's open it up. See, that's the new one, and I extended the feet or foot down by turning the thing 3 rounds, and then so this water level is high enough to the level I wanted, and it is not making any noise anymore. Okay, so there you have it.